Hello, I'm right. Hello, I'm left. Today, we'll tell you about the first element, hydrogen. Hydrogen is at the top of the first column in the periodic table. Its average atomic mass is about 1.008. There are three isotopes of hydrogen: H1 or protium, H2 deuterium. It has a symbol of D, and it's called heavy hydrogen. And H3, which is called tritium, its symbol is T, and it is also called super heavy hydrogen. So you know, water is H2O. So what is D2O? It's just heavy water. This name is... It occurs in normal water, just about 1 part per trillion.
That's nearly nothing.
Among these three isotopes, only tritium is radioactive. Its half-life is a little more than 12 years.
Hydrogen, just like oxygen, is a gas essential for life. But we don't need to breathe hydrogen. Hydrogen is present in water, protein, and many other organic compounds. Without these things, we won't be alive. We won't be able to live. Oh, you're with the hydrogen?
Yeah.
No. Anyways, hydrogen is very light and it floats into space. So only 0.0023% of our atmosphere is hydrogen. But on Uranus, the proportion is 19%, and on Neptune, it's 23%.
Wow!
Actually, 90% of our universe is hydrogen.
Wow!
Most of them formed very early. The first hydrogen atoms formed about 380,000 years after the Big Bang.
So now, I'll tell you how this element is found. In 1671, a chemist discovered that when hydrochloric acid and iron react, some bubbles form. Hey, nowadays, we all know this. A bubble is just hydrogen gas. Later, in the 18th century, a famous chemist, Cavendish, discovered that a kind of gas can react with oxygen and water forms. In 1783, Lavoisier named it hydrogen. It means the substance that makes up water.
Pure hydrogen occurs at H2 naturally. Matches can burn in hydrogen. Hydrogen can react with metals. It can react with the non-metal oxygen violently and form big explosions. Boom! Don't put them together. All acids have hydrogen in them. Hydrogen plays an important role in chemistry.
Nowadays, hydrogen is used as a fuel. Some new buses and cars use hydrogen as fuel. First, electrons are taken out of hydrogen atoms and power the car or bus. Then, oxygen is pumped in, and it reacts with the leftover hydrogen, forming water. This reaction, will cause explosions normally, so there need to be some kind of things to keep the people on the car or bus safe. And last, water is released into the air. This produces no greenhouse gases and can help making our environment better.
This is all for today. Goodbye. Please don't forget to subscribe. Hey!